almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main character vibes, days all covered in sun, and I am glowing from inside. I really can't believe that's what you've done. Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again away. You say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared to say, yeah, definitely, baby. You're way too nice to be true.
Guys, it's our day 2 in Seoul. Pakita ko lang ulit yung view ng ating room. We're staying in L7 Hotel in Myeongdong. So, kitang-kita natin guys dyan, no? Kitang-kita yung Daiso, E-Mart. Itong blue na yan kasing Daiso. Daiso here in Myeongdong is I think the biggest. Kasi 12 floors yan ng Daiso. And if you guys didn't know, yung Daiso in Korea is different from the Daiso Japan. So, yan. And then, ito naman yung view natin. So guys, I'm here at the back of Myeongdong Cathedral, and ayun si Mama Mary dito. So meron dito maliit na garden na pwede kayong pumunta para magdasal kay Mama Mary. Weather ngayon guys here is cold, but dahil may araw, so hindi naman ganun kalamig. Actually, papawisan ka naman sa suot ko na knitwear, tapos may suot ka pa na jacket on top. But pag may hangin, medyo malamig. Guys, pag late kayo sa mass, you cannot go inside. You cannot enter while the mass is ongoing. So what they do, nagla-line up na sila for the next mass. So ito yung line for the next mass. Magandang pumunta dito sa Myeongdong Cathedral. Guys, especially kapag fall or winter, kasi may mga Christmas lights sila in the garden. You know? Oo, sige. Guys, hindi ako nakapasok sa mass. So, what happened is, naglakad na lang kayo pabalik ulit sa hotel. And L7 has this cafe sa baba. Meron some place dito mismo sa L7 Hotel. So, dito muna kami bumaba to have breakfast. Kami nagpe-breakfast eh. So, yun. Kain muna kami, guys. Yes.
Hindi na nag-coffee na kami ni Abse.
Ayun na sana yun. Yan. Mexican panini. At the lobby of L7 Hotel. And hihintay lang ako dun sa mga friends ko. We're going to Sokchon Lake to see the cherry blossoms this morning. Wow. Hello! Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sokchon Lake, Songpanaru Park. We're here in Songpanaru.
Hello! Hello!
The Jackpot! Ang ganda-ganda ng Sokchon Lake, guys. As you can see from here, ayun yung Lotte World. So this is in Jamsil. Oh my God, ang ganda! Ang ganda! Guys, sobrang ganda. The junk mamas ay very busy. Tutorial. Kasalang si Zazie Mama. Guys, I don't know if this nakikita no, nahuhulog na. Nahuhulog na yung mga petals. Tignan nyo, ang daming tao here sa Sokchon Lake. Kasi isa to sa mga places where you can catch the cherry blossoms in Seoul. And yung Sokchon Lake is mismo nandito sa Jamsil and connected dyan yung Lotte World. So yeah, that's Lotte World. So guys, alis na tayo ng jacket kasi it's really hot. From Sokchon Lake and we're going here to Cafe Onion. So guys, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Onion. This is a popular cafe here in Seongsu-dong. Let's go! Lang mga munchies. Yeah, their Pandoro this is their popular. Yeah, ito yung sikat dyan sa kanila. Yeah.
Parang wala talagang matamis, no?
Salt bread. Popular yan. Tara. Salt bread, oh. Salt bread.
Pizza, ilan?
Ilan neto? How many na pizza? Isa lang?
Wait, I'll go on na. Nagpino mo yung pizza?
Isa pa? Okay, one more. Lagay ko
this chili dog.
Chili dog? Yun na lang, yan na lang. Let's get the chili dog. Ano yung sinabi ni P***? Gusto niya? What we got? Okay. Zoom ka, mama. We're going to this shop called Other Error in Seongsu. Ayun yung lalabo sa tapat niya. Kaso may pila. So, ito yung products. They have perfumes, body care, and fragrance. So invisible to you, but I'm just waiting on you to blow back the curtains. And I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. At trade. Ever since the first time. For here and Kinfolk, and I got this set. This is the set that I got at Trade. Gusto ko siya. Kinfolk. Thank you. Vlog. Hi! Hi, fans! So guys, ito ang behind the scenes. Talagang before kami mag-picture. Yung mga ganap.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you can tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again where you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie star.
Photo?
But I get scared to say yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up.
Nag-MRT lang kami papunta rito from Seongsu, no? Kasi pareho lang naman sila sa Green Line. So my friends and I are here for a quick photo ops. After that, we're gonna go back to Myeongdong to rest because we're going to have chicken and beer for dinner. So yun lang, maganda dito. But syempre, if you've seen the new library in Suwon, para siyang naging luma, no? But you know, this is the original Starfield COEX library, so may beauty pa rin siya in itself. So yan, mga yung mga pictures namin, I'll post it in my socials like Instagram. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's massive, 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 massive. So this is the original COEX library. There's new one in Suwon, but that's outside the city.
As if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main character vibes, days all covered in sun, and I'm glowing from inside. I really can't believe that's what you've done. 'Cause when it's good, just really good, and it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you.
PG kasi natin. Lang na siya. Mali naman. Ulitin natin ito, ulitin. Oh my God. Wala na.
Our last stop for tonight is this art studio called Acorn Caricature. Pwede silang gumawa ng caricature nyo in 1 minute, pero hindi ko pwedeng videohan sa loob. So pakita ko na lang yung location. This is in front of Yukane. I'll be ending the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
You say I dream about